Hi, welcome to Draftsight video tutorial. I want to show you how to do annotative dimensions in Draftsight. It's very similar to the AutoCAD method. So first let's do some normal dimensions. Let's check our layer. Yeah, that's the right one. Go to Annotate, and there is the ISO 25 dimension style, and I want to do some smart dimensions. Just some, go for diameter, another one over here, one there, and one over here. Now let's take a look at our sheets, which are the layouts in AutoCAD. So there's one viewport. Click inside that viewport and check the scale for that viewport, and that should be 1:1. So the dimensions are in the correct size. Go to sheet 2 and let's make this smaller. Click inside, double click middle mouse button and change the scale to 1:2. So the dimensions are only half the size they are supposed to be. And let's add another viewport, sheet, single viewport, right there. Click inside and zoom in a little bit and make this one 2:1, for example. In this viewport the dimensions are 2 times as big as usual. So how to fix this problem? Very similar to AutoCAD and very easy. Go to Annotate and change to an annotative dimension style. Now let's go to another layer, a cyan colored one, and do some dimensions there. I will do the same dimensions. Just to compare them. Now let's take a look to sheet 1. In that viewport all dimensions are visible, even the cyan colored ones, because that's 1:1, and those annotative dimensions are at the moment only visible for a scale of 1:1. If we take a look at sheet 2, in this viewport with scale 1:2 they're not visible, and also in this one, which is 2:1, they're also not visible. So if you want to make some of those dimensions visible in these viewports, you have to add some scales to those dimensions. Now I will pick those at this end. Go to Annotate, Annotation Scaling, and add Remove Scales. Select those 4, right click and add the scale of 2:1. Okay, and now I could delete that one, and I will delete it, and okay. So now they're smaller in this model area. In sheet 1 they're not visible. That's okay, because that's 1:1. And in sheet 2 they're only visible in the viewport with a scale of 2:1, and that's okay. And they are smaller than the original ones, so they have the correct size. Go back to the model, add another scale now to these, and these should be visible in 1 to 2 viewports, and I could also remove this one, and okay. They seem to be bigger, and they should be bigger. In sheet 1 they're not visible anymore. In sheet 2 they're only visible in the viewport with a scale of 1 to 2, and they have the correct size. They're twice as big as the usual normal ones, which are too small in this viewport. And you can switch to a different scale right here, and they're still visible. Why? Because that option is not activated. If I activate this option, only the dimensions are visible which are defined for that scale, 1 to 2. Deactivate it and all the dimensions are visible again. So hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoy the better sound. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.